For the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
It's the first day of Navratri and the festive season has kickstarted. Hello and welcome to YourStory.com. My name is Oshik Purkait and here are the top stories for the week. This week, Shraddha Sharma, the founder of Your Story, spoke to Gopal Srinivasan, MD and Chairman of TVS Capital Funds, on the latest episode of Money Matters with Shraddha Sharma, where he shared his journey and the story behind creating the country's largest rupee capital fund. TVS Capital backs consumption-driven businesses in financial services, food and lifestyle. They empower a company with capability and capital for it to reach its full potential. Their sector focus combined with established network of advisors enables them to maximize the value for entrepreneurs. Watch the full interview only on Your Story.
India's big festival season is here, and it is clear that coronavirus has changed the way we celebrate and also the way we shop. Everything has gone online, celebrations as well as shopping. Occasions like Navratri, Durga Puja, Karwa Chauth, Diwali, Dhanteras and others are usually the best business months for the many local small and medium businesses. These enterprises prepare for months in advance to meet the surge in the demand and notch up their profits. But 2020 is not any regular year. This is where the thriving e-commerce sector plays an important role. Companies such as Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Myntra, ShopClue, Snapdeal, Trade India and many others are giving local businesses community a platform to onboard and sell products along with hand-holding them through the processes. Read more about how small and medium players and big e-commerce players are collaborating with each other in the times of corona and persisting the way ahead.
Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu famously said, "Tea is the elixir of life." Indian chai lovers seem to live by this adage. No wonder India, the second largest producer of tea in the world, is also the world's largest consumer of the beverage. According to a report by EMR, India consumed around 1.10 million tons of tea in 2019. The tea market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 4.2% and 1.40 million tons of tea is expected to be consumed by 2025. Reason enough for numerous startups to try and tap the opportunity. These include Guwahati-based Aromika Tea, which is blending good health and wellness in their range of teas. Founded in 2018 by husband and wife duo Ranjit and Dolly Sharma Barua, the startup offers 30 tea blends that incorporate health benefits of natural herbs and ingredients. Aromika Tea was first launched with 5 tea blends during the India International Tea and Coffee Expo held in Kolkata. The tea startup now offers about 30 tea blends, each with its own taste and character and health benefits. Popular varieties include chamomile tea, tulsi tea, green tea, blue tea and many more. Read more about them only on YourStory.com.
In the last few months, as the world grapples with the coronavirus pandemic, mental health has taken a center stage. So, in this week's App Friday segment, we reviewed Made in India Visa app, which offers an AI-enabled chatbot therapy to its users. It also provides personalized toolkit to help you cope with depression, anxiety, sleep issues, and grief. It is used in 30 countries across the globe and has benefited more than 1.2 million people. It also claims that 93% of its users found the app useful. Founded by Joe Agarwal and Ramakant Vempati in 2015, Bengaluru headquartered app allows its user to keep the conversation private and anonymous. You don't need any account or phone number to use the app. You don't even have to share your name. The app does not ask for details such as your gender or age. The app meets the UK's national health standards of clinical safety, and its adorable penguin can talk to you about your feelings, guide you through mindful meditation, and doesn't judge you. Read more about it on YourStory.com.
And for the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.